Welcome back to a brand new video, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a brand new legal breaking update regarding a fortunate rightful legal loss between Donald Trump and the Court of Appeals. What is that exactly? And how did he lose? Let's figure out the reason and how he exactly lost in today's video. This news article is by The Hill. The article is titled, "Appeals Court Denies Trump's Bid to Immediately Reverse Fired Federal Workers Reinstatement," by Zach Schonfield, Schonfield, Schonfield. And the article reads, a federal appeals court in a 2-1 decision Monday declined to immediately block a judge's order that the Trump administration reinstate fired probationary employees at 6 federal agencies. The new ruling, which does not address the legality of the firings, refuses the administration's request for an administrative stay that would temporarily freeze the ruling until the next stage of the appeal. Given that the district court found that the employees were wrongfully terminated and ordered an immediate return to the status quo, and an administrative stay of the district court's order would not preserve the status quo, according to the court's writing in it, or according to what the court wrote in its ruling. They stated that it would just do the opposite. It would disrupt the status quo and turn it on its head. U.S. District Judge Bridget Bate, who is a Trump appointee, descended from her 2 Democratic-appointed colleagues. Bate warned of a potential whiplash effect where the employees rehired under the judge's order could be fired again. The plaintiffs do not contest these assertions. They argue that the government services upon which they and their organizational members rely have been thrown into chaos by terminations, and that they will continue to be injured by the government's inability to render services, according to what Bade wrote. But the plaintiffs offer no reason to believe that immediate offers of reinstatement would cure these harms, the judge wrote and continued. Instead, the administrative undertaking of immediate reinstating potentially thousands of employees would likely draw already depleted agency resources away from their designated service functions. The Trump administration has moved rapidly to reshape the federal bureaucracy, including by firing thousands of federal employees in their probationary period illegally, which typically extends for the first year or two of a given employee's role. The administration appealed after U.S. District Judge William Alsop, who is an appointee of former President Clinton, who served in San Francisco, last week ordered officials to reinstate those terminated at 6 agencies, finding the firings were unlawful. Hours later, a federal judge in Baltimore issued a similar ruling that covered roughly a dozen other agencies. As part of a ruling Monday, my editorial edition, the Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals ordered that written briefing be concluded by Thursday on the administration's motion to block Alsop's ruling pending the full appeal. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that looks like it's going to do it for today's legal breaking analysis reporting. If you did enjoy this legal breaking analysis reporting, please do feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button. That way you make sure you never miss a brand new legal breaking analysis video that I post every day, mostly once a day, 5 times a day, 4 times a day, or 3 times a day, or 2 times a day, or just once a day, depending on my schedule of legal breaking analysis reportings on what is going on. One way you can stay up to date on when I post a brand new legal analysis video is by hitting the bell icon that is right next to the subscribe button. It does not cost anything, on the lower right hand side of the screen. A secondary way you guys can do that is stay up to date on when I posted a brand new legal breaking analysis reporting is by following me on my social medias that I will have linked down below. I am on Instagram, Snapchat, and Threads. There, as well as the bell icon, you guys can, like I said, stay up to date on when I post a brand new legal breaking analysis reporting video to the channel. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, please help me reach and achieve the overall channel goal of 130 plus subscribers. The reason why I'm saying 130 plus subscribers is because right after we reach the goal of 130 plus subscribers, we have more subscribers to reach and achieve after we reach the goal of overall 130 subscribers. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning into today's legal breaking analysis video, and I will look forward to talking to you guys in the next video, legal breaking analysis reporting. For now, please stay safe and please stay positive, and I will look forward to talking to you in the next video.